Hey guys, this is your friend Bala from TechTreat back with another video. This is the second episode in the app treat series, guys. The first app that we are looking at is Steredium TV. Basically, it lets you watch series, and these are the available categories. There are like on and on. The list goes on and on. Each and every series gets added as soon as it gets released. So basically, let's say I'm gonna watch Game of Thrones. It has a little review of the Game of Thrones, and if you swipe aside, you have basically all the seasons, and when you hit on a season there are the episodes in the season. After that you basically select which quality you want to view it on. It has like 1080p with and without subtitles. It has like n number of options here. It's a cool app to spend your time on when you are traveling and you want to watch some couple of episodes. Give it a shot. The second app that I'm going to talk about is audio recorder. I don't know why the heck Android doesn't have a default audio recorder. This is made by Sony and it has two modes, stereo and mono. Basically, if your phone has like more than one microphones, it uses them like as you hear in songs and etc. It has different quality settings. Like you could look into that if you want. And if you swipe, you have like basically all your recordings that you have done with this app. And in settings, there is nothing much. It's sparse here. So let me just go into settings. There's nothing much here. So in mic test, if you hit on mic test, it basically shows the gain level of all the microphones etc, and it shows the file storage. It should be public or not. That's it in this app, guys. There's nothing else, but it's a perfect app to record audio. The third app that we are going to look into is Boost. This is the best replacement app for Reddit, guys. This has damn cool material design animation flowing all throughout the UI. You can see every post is presented in the theme of cards, just like in Google now. If you swipe from here, the sidebar has the subreddit etc. You can just like type in the subreddit that you want to look into. For example, let's say I'm gonna watch technology. If I hit OK, it brings the search results of technology, and here you go, all the posts under the thing called technology. And the cool thing about this app is it also has theming backend. For example, if you use AMOLED display, you can use those AMOLED specific designs etc. And the coolest part here is the comments are presented in the card part also. You could see how cool the comments are present, and same here, the floating icon acts as the one-stop solution for replaying etc. Yeah, it has banner ads, but yeah, leaving that aside. The third app I'm going to talk about is app sales. Basically, this app lets you know and track all the apps that have been recently thrown up with offers. So it also shows the previous price and the current reduced price etc. If you want to buy some app, just hit on here. It will directly take you to the Play Store. Yeah, 69. I can't. Now let's just move on. Then the coolest thing that differs this from other apps is that if you hit on the plus icon, it lets you track the app that you want to buy. For example, let's say Solid Explorer is present for like 50 rupees or something. You just track via it, and at the end of the day, when it goes below the 50 rupee price point, it lets you know about it via notification. So when the price falls, you can literally buy the app. I showed here. Yes, I'm gonna talk about is simple weather. This is the best material design weather app, period. It has a cloud-like appearance, just like in Google now. It has all the information you can think of, and if you swipe over, you can see you can switch between different locations like this. It has a cool animation going with it. If you want to add a location, just hit on there and key in your input. That's it, you are good to go, and you can swipe over to the location. The best part here is about the notification. It just literally feels like this is inbuilt with Android. You could see it matches with the notification drawer. And then you can also get hourly forecasts etc. If you hit on maps, it just takes you into map and it gives you a cool aerial view of whatever is going on here. You can get on precipitation etc. The next app I'm going to talk about is a browser that is tied with material design. Yeah, this series is going to be like talking about lots of material design stuff. Let's just go into the HTML5 test and let's just see how much it scores. I guess if I'm not wrong, Chrome scores like 518, I guess. In this app scores like 507, not bad. You can go back by swiping here and there, and then you can also reload and stuff. Let's just go to Verge app and let's see how it loads up. This is basically the lightest browser you can find that follows material design. I guess this is not available in Play Store right now. It is in beta testing, guys. I will also link the uh, where you can download this below. I guess you can understand. That's it for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this series. I'll be back with next video. See ya.